I'll be guiding you through a solution where Forge is not opening with Java. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like on this video. We do appreciate it, and make sure it's full videos from the full steps. I'll be showing you multiple different fixes for Forge if it isn't opening with Java, so make sure it's full video, so the full steps. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you've got Java installed and a recent version of it. So all you need to do is come and open up a browser and go and search for Java, just like so, and make sure you go to your official website, which is java.com. Here we are. Then all you want to do is go and click on download Java, just like so, and then click download Java again, and it's going to go and download. So wait for it to finish downloading and then go and install it. Of course, every browser is slightly different. Your downloads may appear in your downloads folder in your file explorer, so always go and look there for them. So wait for it to finish and then go and install it, and then I'll show you the next step. So once you've gone and downloaded the latest version of Java, then all you need to do is go and find the Forge file. So in this case, it's on my desktop, and what you need to do is click on it once and then right click on it, and you need to go and click open with and then click choose another app. Then you can go and view all of the apps you can go and open up jar files with, and you need to make sure Java TM platform SE binary is selected. Then go and click always use this app to open .jar files, and then it should go and open up just like that. As you can see, we've got a few different options, install the client, the server, or extract, and then all you need to do is press OK and it will install. However, if it still isn't working, then what I recommend doing is going back to Java and going back to java.com. I'll just hit the back button. Try and get the Java SE development kit. Sometimes you need a bit more advanced version of Java for some reason, so definitely worth checking this one out. Make sure Java 19 is selected, and then you can either use Linux, Mac, or Windows. So I'll use Windows, and then go and get the x64 installer. So click on it, download it and install it, and then try and repeat the steps where you go and right click on Forge once again, right click on it and then go and click open with just here, and then choose another app, and then you can go and use Java platform SE binary. Now, if that still isn't working, then just restart your computer, as Java may need to properly be installed by restarting your computer. Personally, I haven't had to done that in the past, but I definitely would try it if it wasn't working and you've installed the latest version of Java. Restart your PC, then come back to the file, right click on it and go and click open with, and make sure you go and select Java platform SE binary. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.